look at the bottom, all the way down the bottom. It says always sleeping apps. Now this is huge, folks. Huge. Watch this. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out the Note 9. This is really cool. I'm using a Type-C to an HDMI cable that's going directly in the back of my Elgato. Okay, and we're just going to go over a couple of things here. This is a very, very powerful phone, hands down. I'm very impressed with the performance of this. I've had this thing on since this morning at 8 o'clock, and I have 60% battery left, and I've been using it like mad. I'm looking at the phone, but you're looking at the screen, so pretty neat. This also offers Samsung DeX, which we'll have to show you how that works. So let's look at device maintenance. Is my biggest thing that I love. Now, the reason why I like this so much is because it allows you to tweak your system to run extremely smooth and use as little battery life as possible. We'll click on the battery icon on the bottom left. Okay, and this is the important section here. This is huge. Now I have it, originally I had it off, right? And then I switched it to mid, because it actually gave me a heck of a lot more runtime than having it off. As you can see, 8 hours and 50 minutes versus 11 hours and 2 minutes. It's not that much, but it's still more than what it was. And we can go to max, and that'll be 1 day and 7 hours. But this is what it will do. So anyway, that's one thing. The other thing is this section here. You'll see next to us, it tells you how much battery is using per hour, all right, while running. Okay, now look at the bottom, all the way down the bottom. It says always sleeping apps. Now this is huge, folks, huge. Watch this. We'll click on that. Now if you have an application on your phone that likes to run after you supposedly closed it, this will put it to sleep all the time. Okay, so this will actually automatically shut down your app, and it'll put it to sleep. So there's no reason to be running all the time. Like my Chase and Discover, for some reason they always freaking run, and Facebook too, and it's a bunch of crap. And I still get notifications. There's no reason for it to be running all the time. Same thing with Google Plus, Twitter, Wait, all these apps are always running, and they can add more if I want, but these are the primary ones that I don't want running. So this is a very powerful phone. I mean, it's got more bells and whistles we know what to do with. I am using the biometrics and security. I do have my face and iris have been registered on the phone, and it will do face recognition for unlocking the phone, and as well as the iris scanning. It can do either one or both at the same time. I find that very useful. In other words, if someone else stares at my phone when it's unlocked, when it's locked, they can't get in. So when someone's it's just incredible. This is a very, very, very powerful phone. I don't play games on it. I don't see the need, but there is one feature that I want you to see. So this is what I want to show you. Now we have Samsung DeX, which is freaking incredible. Now we're going to turn it on now, and this changes everything. Okay, so now the touchpad is on. Now I can use my, this is the phone. Okay, this is like so screwed up. I can't believe I actually can use my cell phone as a web, like literally a web browser. So let's see, let's go to some place that we can just simply click on and browse with. I'm not logged into anything, so we're just gonna, I guess, browse. I mean, it's pretty quick. I mean, obviously we're using the Wi-Fi on my phone, but I'm just clicking on anything just to show you that it works. It's pretty amazing. This is very, very impressive. You can go to my files, which goes to, I guess, everything that's on the phone itself, the SD card. You look at the photos that I have. So that's my old system when I had 6 monitors. It's been changed dramatically, and it doesn't look that messy either. Anyway, as you can see, this is literally a computer. I'm using the screen on the phone so I can move the mouse around. It's just incredible. It is literally a computer. Remember, it is an 8-core CPU. Well, actually, it's 2 4-cores. But and then a dedicated GPU for gaming. Now, that's one thing I wanted to show you, actually. Hang on a second. There was a section here that allowed me to... We click on this, and then here are all the programs we can install using DeX. Okay? So, top paid, top free, new. Obviously, if we had a keyboard attached to this, we can actually do that. We actually can play games on this, Brutal Street. I mean, whatever we wanted to do, we could probably do. I don't want to do it because I don't play games on my phone. Well, I'm not going to. I just got it yesterday. So this is impressive. So let's switch it back to mirroring. So now we're back to normal again. How freaking cool is this? This is unbelievable. So, as you can see, the Note 9 is really great. If you have any requests or comments, please place them below. I have no problem making another video based on what you want me to do with the Note 9. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.